Let's now shift our attention to Zimbabwe's wildlife agency, which has said that 22 elephants have died from a suspected bacterial infection, possibly from eating poisonous plants in western Zimbabwe. The agency has said that more deaths are expected as they continue to investigate the issue. The wildlife agency officials have said that many young elephants are becoming a victim of an infection sparked by eating poisonous plants. Overpopulation has also been cited as the biggest threat to animal survival in the wildlife-rich southern African country. The official has said that apart from possible bacterial infection, some of the animals could be dying due to the stress of walking long distances for food and water.
Our scientists are suspecting that there's a bacteria which is causing the death of these animals. These things, they normally happen during this time of the year because of food shortages mainly. The biggest problem that we have is the biggest threat, in fact, that we have for the survival of our animals is loss of habitat. And if you look at the mortality rate, most of the animals that are succumbing mainly are those that are weak and those that are young, because the young ones, they can't reach for the higher branches in the field, and they ended up eating everything, and some of the vegetation that they eat might be poisonous.
Zimbabwe has been facing successive climate-induced droughts in recent years, leaving the animals with less water and vegetation for food. The dead young elephants were found with the tusks still on their bodies, ruling out any acts of poaching. In recent years, poachers in the country have poisoned dozens of elephants with cyanide and then have taken their ivory tusks to sell them to illegal traders. Investigations will also try to establish if there is a link between the deaths and those reported in neighbouring Botswana as well.